Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the InkSonic L1800 DTF printer machine. Don't forget to hit the link below for current pricing and availability. The standout feature of the InkSonic L1800 is its direct-to-film DTF printing technology. Unlike traditional methods, DTF allows you to print vibrant, long-lasting designs onto a wide range of fabrics, including cotton, denim, canvas, and more. The printer uses special ink and film, and after printing, you simply cure the design in the oven and heat press it onto the garment. The result is crisp, flexible, and durable prints that can withstand repeated washes. This machine supports A3 printing with a 13-inch width, giving you plenty of space for detailed graphics, large logos, or multiple smaller prints in one go. Whether you're producing t-shirts, hoodies, bags, or custom accessories, this printer can handle it all. The high-resolution output ensures that even intricate details, gradients, and text come out clean and vibrant every time. The included oven and laptop make this kit a complete solution. Once you print your design onto the DTF film, the oven cures the ink quickly and evenly, preparing it for transfer. The laptop is preloaded with software that integrates seamlessly with the printer, giving you control over print settings, color profiles, and production workflow. It's designed to be beginner-friendly, but also robust enough for professional-level use. One of the advantages of the L1800 is the stability and consistency of the print output. The printer is engineered for smooth film feeding and precise ink placement, which minimizes misprints and ensures every transfer comes out perfect. The system is also relatively low maintenance compared to traditional DTG setups, especially thanks to the user-friendly software and pre-configured workflow. The versatility of this kit is another big win. From cotton t-shirts to canvas tote bags or denim jackets, you can experiment with different materials and create a variety of products without needing multiple machines. It's ideal for small businesses looking to expand their product range, or for hobbyists who want professional results at home. Another important aspect is ease of setup and use. Everything comes ready to go, and the printer, oven, and laptop work seamlessly together. Even if you're new to DTF printing, you'll find that creating your first batch of designs is straightforward. Once your workflow is set up, you can crank out high-quality prints quickly and efficiently. Overall, the InkSonic L1800 DTF printer machine is an excellent choice for anyone looking to get into garment printing with a professional quality, all-in-one setup. It delivers sharp, vibrant prints, supports multiple materials, and comes complete with all the tools you need to start creating right away. If you're ready to take your clothing designs to the next level, the L1800 is a reliable, efficient, and versatile option. Be sure to check the links below for the latest pricing and availability, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews and tech insights coming your way.